Student demand for strict ban on inter-district movement. EM Raju Tiso inspects road repair works inside Tokmuka. Hello and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. I'm Julie Hansapi with the latest news for today, and now the news in details. The Hamran Drivers Association along with several local organizations had on Friday had a meeting to discuss about the means to prevent inter-district movement of vehicles and public with an aim to prevent the spread of COVID-19. The organizations that were present in the meeting included Hamran Drivers Association, Business Association of Hamran, KSA Hamran Head Branch, Hamran Bazaar Committee and Hamran Branch of Chamber of Commerce. During the meeting, the organization expressed their serious concerns about a lack of seriousness among the general public, as many have been seen ignoring the directive notified by the administration. And keeping in line with the ban on inter-district movement, the organizations have decided not to allow any outsider to enter the district. Transaction of local traders with those coming from Hojai, Lanka, Nagaon and Meghalaya will take place in the district's border area. It was decided that anyone found entering the district from either of the boundaries will directly be kept in quarantine center.
Laso period ang bong inter-district ang bong akibon ke bepari tum sita me hojai ban giwang tum sita tumpring ang geda long ansi malang kolong chotpo lapu pena bepari tuman sita hada sicing tum lampo lapen pula no district na tu pena bangta rojagong long ansi hala tumbang longpo lapen pu tumbang ta hala da sing tum dam lampo lapen ke pu longka ro na tu bangta forest bazar long si
The Deputy Commissioner of West Karbi Anglong have also informed of the decisions, and the organization said that we was happy and assured all help from the administration side. Daniel Inghi from Hamran, Karbi Anglong Live. In order to create awareness about the pandemic COVID-19 among people of the remote Paklongkam area, student bodies including KSA, KSYC and USUKA made a visit to place on Saturday and shared their knowledge. The KSA team at Hamran also visited the interior Tapat area for awareness activity. The KSYC also met headmen of Habirkro village with masks and sanitizers. In addition to this, the team led by advisor Robinson Rongpi, Rupson Tokbi, Rangsina Ronghang, Songja Ingti, accompanied by several other members, went to 35 villages under Paklongkam and shared information about preventive measures on COVID-19. Several SGBs and GBs were present during the program.
Pini Lilipan la student organization to KSA laban KSYC laban usuka la songthom tindak ang kehang pen la COVID-19 obthak awareness ang epidemi vansi nanghang lo la sila hamphang ke thong dungan sme ke phapon pot kero piver pik lo nilihin men sme la son cherok to ka mai ki bige nilihin men sme ninga krong pen chedon dun.
The program was also assisted by Dr. Manik Ronghang, who also took several measures to stay away from the coronavirus. Meanwhile, the Tapat KSA sub-branch also carried out awareness activities by distributing masks, soaps and hand sanitizers to the local population. This village is 45 kilometers away from Hamran. It was led by Tapat KSA sub-branch President Remington Pangcho and Secretary Harbamon Teron, Village Headman Elisha Teron, Chesong English High School teacher Welborn Teron and local volunteers. The team has expressed gratitude to the Hamran Head Branch KSA for providing them with the necessary item for distribution.
Ini Dr. Pat sabang hani along nitum tapat KSA sabran sahin pen nitum regacar sami alang lapen sabon lapen mas hui ni litum ron pon lo labak so ni litum ki klem pon ni litum ki cheng se lo ladak tapada rong along ni litum labak so ki klem ipon ang kok alam chebang ke ni litum ki cheng hui penta non ki dam tang hui penta ni litum phala bang so sai ni litum phan asong ka prek tum penta ni litum phan klem ipon ke lo.
Samsung Inti from Dongmokak and Daniel Inghi from Hamran, Karbi Anglong Live. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council EM Raju Tiso on Saturday inspected road repair work carried out under SOPD scheme connecting Dokmoka and Samilangso. He also visited spots where culverts were damaged. During the visit, EM Tiso was accompanied by SDO Bodon Tiso and Dokmoka Road Division Engineer Robinson Crow. The elected representative also met VDC Chairman Khogan Tiso and Korganthi Mandal President Dolo Inti. During his interaction with local leaders, EM Tiso is sure to take up the matter with Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CM Tuliram Ronghang to provide new culverts for the area.
Dokmoka pendak lamandulian tuara selamo tasila bangso tuara nang selam nang kelang ta sonno la pente la bangso tuara jaga long penana kal phado mukha kahinu kebak tang kebak lu sondu pun cinisi ndak mane spotolong nang kelang kebak.
The elected representative also inspected drain construction work in Tikilangjon and Dhendaghat market area. Samsung Ingti reporting from Dokmoka, Karbi Anglong Live. In a news that is like to create massive controversy and public outrage, the Hamran Forest Range has issued order to the individual to cut down the trees planted by the Soil Conservation Department. This land was allotted by the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council through its Land and Revenue Department. Following this, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Soil Conservation Board Chairman Ronjit Teron today paid a visit to the disputed plot. In the year 1981 to 1982, the Hamran Soil Conservation Division planted large numbers of pine trees at Umbaso under Langhempi. But now of nowhere, an individual have come up claiming ownership of the land. The person has been identified as Prem Boral, who also has a patta for the land. Presently, he had obtained cutting order from the Hamran Forest Range and is about to cut down the trees planted by the Soil Conservation Department. As Ronjit Teron reached the spot to see the matter, he came to know that Prem Boral's patta of the land was registered in the year 1995, whereas the Soil Department planted the trees in 1981 to 82. And according to this record, there is no likelihood that Prem would be the legal owner of the land, as it was rightfully a conserved area reserved by the Soil Department.
81, 82, 94, 95 kilo te kache hilo da ada ulang. Kasi koson pen kelang tong la sobang kota ki pidat lo ne bang chini dan lo kado go inquiry lo te etum kado go be ika kelok si tamila daklang.
How can Prem Boral obtain the government document for the land when it was already allotted to the Soil Department? How could have the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council given legal patta to him? These questions have now surrounded Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council as the dispute now shifts towards the irregularities of the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council officials.
Kodim ke Soil Conservation Asaladak Tengtia Mu Elo Aklim Elo Lapen Labang So Dima Bang Ahem Pu Gachikrong Banke Haru Chris Kebrat Sonar Kebra Sia PC Kota Banke Alang Litum Kelong Kasi Councilor Sor Lapen Review in charge Atum Kadok Bel Hai Kelang Talib Dun Pemi Pentong Pilone Mate Sone Chindi Undelo Litum Dag Lokela Hin Pen Banke Non Sarang Kumria Teng Penke Ladake Hokpet Soil Conservation Asora Me Barlosi Purilo.
Showing their response towards the issue, local organizations have urged the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council officials not indulge in such illegal act in the future. Bir Singh Tiso from Langhempi, Karbi Anglong Live. And that's all we have with us for today. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live.